Okay, my paint just came in. Got actual caliper paint. Looks quite a bit redder. Got it shaken up. 900-degree paint. Got this off of Amazon. So we'll see where we're at. Gonna shoot a little bit on this. Make sure we don't have no kind of reaction on it. Looks about the same color to me. People don't know what color red is. That's crazy. This thing's like $15. Might be a little bit shinier now. Don't look like I'm getting no reaction on it. Well, I guess I can put a couple coats on it. Put a couple coats on it and see if it don't get redder. It does look better. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. I got this golf cart right beside the car and I ain't gonna be able to. Truck backed up next to my garage. Can't back out the golf cart, clean out the garage. That's right now, it's top priority. I guess we'll find out. Okay, this is where we're at on these wheels. Had to wind up sanding all these spokes down by all the way down to bare metal. And then what I had to wind up doing is had to wind up using a silver metallic 2008-2001. This is switchblade silver that goes on the Cadillac. That's touch-up paint. Wind up having to use that for like a sealer. See, it's not bubbling up or nothing. It's working really good. I got it all sanded down now with the 400 grit. And I got one can of paint per side for 2 wheels. So I'm getting low on that can right there. So I still got one more can for the other side of the wheels. But this is the look that I'm looking for right here. Like I say, these wheels are just going to be temporary. They might be on there maybe middle of summer, maybe later, maybe fall. I don't want to commit, to this, but I'll get them eventually. But this is the look I'm looking for right here. I was thinking about leaving all these shiny bare metal, but after I got to looking, I really don't like that. And like I say, I'm not gonna be the one keeping these wheels. I won't have them by the end of the year. I won't have them sold, I'm sure, unless something major comes up. But that's the look I'm going for right there. That's the kind of silver in the middle and lug nuts. I think that looks good. Now get that brake caliper painted red, and I think that's going to be a nice looking look right there. So go back and look at the back one. I'll raise the garage door up and I'll show you. Okay, that's where we're at on the brake calipers on this. It finally turned red after a couple coats. I mean, that's close enough. That's a red. That's a red. It's still a little bit orange, but that's the red I was going to put on the wheels, but I was really wanting something smaller than that. maybe even like a pinstripe to go on the wheels. But I think I'm just gonna go completely black. A lot of people like that, and I'm just gonna wind up selling them anyway. Now I'm fixing to go mow, and I'm gonna be in the boat building here in a minute, and I'm gonna show you the wheels that we have for this car. I haven't looked at them wheels in probably 2-3 years, 4 years. I don't know how long. They're still in boxes. We'll go take a look at them real quick. I'll show you what we're gonna put on this car. But before we do that, I'm gonna shoot this with the black paint real quick. I'll let this thing be drying out overnight. Then tomorrow I'll get this wheel put back there on the back of the car, put her back down. Now I think we'll pull the wheel off of this one, do the brake caliper, then we'll be done with this side. And that'll give us some progress for this week, finally. Didn't think I was ever, this is my 3rd week working on these wheels. I don't have this in my schedule, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I was wanting to have the stripes on by now. Anyway, I'll get these painted real quick and I'll show you when I get done. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That looks good. Had just enough paint too. So I got one can down, one to go. So I'm gonna have plenty of paint for the next side. I'll do the exact same thing. I don't want you to have to sand them down that hard next time. Just sand them down real good. Put some of that silver paint on there, kind of seal it, and then that's the look I'm looking for right there. So okay, we're finally making progress on this, so we can move on. This wheel will look like that wheel, and I don't have to pull that one off to strip it down to do anything special to it. But like I say, I will take that off and do the front brake rotors. Not the rotors, but the calipers. That's gonna look good. Like I say, these are brand new wheels. My phone is so low I don't have no flash on it. No. So I'll dig these out one of these days, but oh, it's got a cover on top of that. Okay, we'll get down to it here eventually. I'm not going to see them very good. Anyway, that's what they look like. Okay, that's better. I think you can see that now. We'll get a good look at them here one of these days. I need to get the size on these. I think these are the front ones, and I think I need to order the back ones, which is a little bit wider. It's about OE wheels. Here's the information I'm going to need. Satin black and a 20 by 8.5, 35 millimeter, 5 times 120. That's what I need to know, and then I'll order them. I'm pretty sure these are the front ones, so I'm going to have to order. What I wound up doing was ordering 4 of the same. And on my original red Camaro, it was staggered. Had wider ones in the back, and I had to order 2 more wheels for the back. So I'm going to have to do the same thing again. I'm going to have to order 2 more wheels for the back. This in satin black. Okay, finally got success. Right there is exactly what I was looking for. That was the look I was looking for right there. Black wheel, red caliper. A lot of guys don't paint the backing plate. I think it looks so cool that way. Makes it look like you got $1,000 brakes in there. That's so cool. I did get a little bit of red paint on the rotor right there. You can see it right there. But it'll come off really quick whenever you hit the brakes. You can see it right there a little bit. You can see it right there a little bit. First touch of the brakes and that's going to be gone. No big deal. Okay, we're going to go pull the wheel off the front wheel. Do them brakes. Brake caliper. Paint it. Put the wheel back on. And finish up this video for tonight. This video loads tonight, so I'm running out of time. Okay, I've already got it taped off and I already got the backing plate done painted. Now I'll get the caliper itself painted. Okay, I'll take a break for about 30 minutes, let that dry out, paint it again, and we'll be done. What I noticed from in real view, it looks a lot redder than it does on camera. I look on the back of my cell phone, it looks pretty orange. But in real view, looking at it in person, it looks a lot more red. Looks about the same red as that jack right there, that jack stand. So I'll let that dry out for a while and we'll give it another coat, put the wheel back on after we pull the paper off, and we'll do a quick walkthrough on this side and we'll be done with this video. Okay, I just gave it the second coat. Now I'll go over and start pulling the paper off of it. Get the wheel back on. We'll get this side finished up. Okay, there's a good shot of that wheel. Can't really see the backing plate until you get outside. Sure makes a difference. Go down to this side. Alright. This car's all paid off, by the way. And I still have it. So that's a good thing. Figured I was going to have to sell this car to pay off the note. But selling my parts cars. Now I'm still selling the red 2012 Camaro. I got it down to $200 on Facebook Marketplace, and I still can't get nobody to buy it. Well, they're trying to buy it for $100 now. I just laugh. These rear quarters right here, stamped steel from General Motors, a replacement part, $1,099, stamped steel, and they won't even buy the whole car for $200. Guy's trying to talk me down to $100, and I said nope. I said for $200 you get 2 stamped steel rear quarters. So now he's wanting to buy the whole car. So I got to message him back and see what he's going to say. Alright, I guess that's going to finish up this video. And I guess next we're going to do the stripes. Stripes are hanging out up there. I think before we work on the other side of wheels, I just really like the way the wheels turned out. Really turned out nice. Like it, like it. I think we'll put on the stripes next before we go on the other side, because I can just take my time on the other side. I may just back this thing into the garage where I can have the passenger side wheels over here on this side and still put my golf cart over here on this side. Okay, I guess that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching.